If you've been considering GoDaddy or Kinsta for your WordPress hosting needs, you've probably come across a lot of mixed opinions. Both are major players in the hosting world, but which one offers the better WordPress solutions? Stick around, because we're going to dive deep into the features, performance, pricing, and customer support of both platforms. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one might be the right fit for your WordPress site. Let's start by looking at performance, which is often the deal breaker for WordPress hosting. Both GoDaddy and Kinsta promise high-speed hosting, but there's a noticeable difference when you put them to the test. GoDaddy offers shared hosting plans and WordPress-specific hosting, which can perform well for smaller, less traffic-heavy sites. However, when your site starts to grow, the performance can dip due to the nature of shared hosting. Kinsta, on the other hand, runs its platform on Google Cloud's premium tier network, which means faster load times, higher scalability, and generally better performance, especially for larger, more resource-intensive WordPress sites. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. GoDaddy is known for being beginner-friendly, with a simple interface and straightforward setup process. However, simplicity sometimes comes at the cost of customization. While GoDaddy's dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, it lacks some of the advanced features that more experienced users might look for. Kinsta's interface is much more robust, designed with developers in mind, and includes advanced features like SSH access, staging environments, and enhanced caching options. So, if you're someone who needs more control and flexibility, Kinsta is likely the better choice. Moving on to customer support, GoDaddy has 24/7 support through phone and live chat, which is a big plus for those who need help at odd hours. The downside? Support quality can be inconsistent, especially if you need more technical assistance. Kinsta, while also offering 24/7 support, is known for having much more specialized, high-level support, which is a huge benefit for WordPress users who might run into complex issues. Kinsta's support is generally regarded as more reliable and knowledgeable, with dedicated WordPress experts available to help you troubleshoot and optimize your site. When it comes to pricing, GoDaddy typically comes in as the more affordable option. You can get started with shared hosting for as low as a couple of dollars a month, which is great if you're on a tight budget. But keep in mind that as your site grows or requires more resources, GoDaddy's prices can increase, especially for higher tier plans. Kinsta, while significantly more expensive than GoDaddy, is a premium solution. Its plans start at around $30 a month, and you get what you pay for in terms of performance, security, and customer service. Kinsta's pricing is more suitable for businesses or high-traffic sites that require top-notch resources. The fourth thing to consider is security. Both GoDaddy and Kinsta take security seriously, but Kinsta goes above and beyond with features like automatic backups, free SSL certificates, and enhanced security monitoring. GoDaddy includes security features in its higher tier plans, but it's often not as robust as Kinsta's offerings, especially when it comes to ongoing monitoring and proactive protection. Finally, let's talk about the bottom line. GoDaddy and Kinsta both have their merits depending on your needs. GoDaddy is ideal for beginners or small businesses that need an affordable, straightforward hosting solution. Kinsta, however, is built for businesses or individuals who need the best performance, top-tier customer support, and advanced features. In conclusion, while GoDaddy and Kinsta are both solid options for hosting WordPress sites, Kinsta stands out for serious WordPress users who prioritize performance, security, and expert support. If you want a better alternative to either of these platforms and you want to take your WordPress hosting to the next level, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get the best WordPress hosting for your needs.